Dimensional analysis helps you check and convert units so your setup is correct and your final answer has the right units. Think of dimensional analysis like a recipe that ensures each ingredient is measured the right way. You write down the units, cancel matching units, and convert when needed so everything lines up. Start by identifying the units you have and the units you need. Then multiply by conversion factors that equal 1. So numbers change, but the quantity does not. Always track units step by step so you can see when a unit cancels or when you still need to convert, which prevents doing extra work or getting the wrong type of answer. This method also helps you spot mistakes early, because if units do not cancel to give the desired unit, the arithmetic will likely be wrong. Students often try to plug numbers into formulas without checking units first, which leads to wrong answers, even if calculations seem correct. Always write units with numbers so mismatches jump out. Another common mistake is using incorrect conversion factors or forgetting to cube or square units when converting volume or area. So double check whether you need length, area, or volume conversions. A helpful tip is to rewrite conversion factors as fractions that cancel unwanted units, and to pause and verify the final unit before calling the answer complete. For more videos and resources on using units in dimensional analysis, check out www.gumballdegree.com.